You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this novel, a playwright actually, and also the name of a movie, the French pronunciation and how you can say it in English. Cyrano de Bergerac is how we say it in France, in French. Cyrano de Bergerac. How do you say it in English? The pronunciation. Cyrano de Bergerac. Cyrano de Bergerac. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.